How to enable or disable video player launch from gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, click on menu. So after click on menu, click on this setting option. So after click on setting, you will see once in video player is here. So if you want to enable, so turn on this button, you will see once in video players is enabled. So if you want to disable video players, so turn off this button, you will see video player is turn off and disable. So you will enable or disable video players from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable video player launch from Google on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.